Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Art Adventure. Here your friend Shubhajit, and today I'll share you how to make a basic sketch before we start shading onto a portrait. So I have already made another portrait using charcoal and I get a great response from you onto that. So thanks to all of you for your nice compliment and for support. So that's why I think of making an entire portrait making series starting from the basic sketch to the detailing part. Means the shading using different type of blending stuff, different type of smoothing technique, how we can apply that, all those. And in this video I'll share with you how to make a basic sketch from the scratch. So I hope you will find it useful, and if you like this video then make a big thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. I hope you will like this. I'll be sharing various tips to make sketch properly throughout the entire video. So it's my humble request not to skip and watch it till end. I have used one ordinary HP pencil to make the entire sketch, and as the pencil was very small, so I used one pencil extender, and that is also made by myself using simple paper rolling that. I'll explain the process of making this DIY stuff with you in another video. I start by outlining overall the facial structure, and then I start working on eyes, nose, lips, like this different parts. We need to think of proportion that I already told you before at the time of making the sketch. So I always used to cross check after making a single step, and if I have to make something fine detailing, then I will do it later on. The paper we are using is 100 GSM F4 paper. Same type of paper I had also used to make my previous portrait. This video not making real time basis, but still I hope you can understand most of the process very well. See here, I am continuously redefining all the parts again and again to get the exact desired result. I have also used a little bit of shading so that we can understand the dark area at the time of fine detailing. And remember one more thing, don't apply so much pressure at the time of making a rough sketch. If you do this, then you will be in trouble at the time of shading. You will have not much control on the paper surface and you will create some undesired impression mark onto the paper, and then it will be very difficult to read off this. That's why just take care and apply light pressure at the time of making sketch. If you want, you can also use kneaded eraser instead of gum eraser. That can remove the graphite from the paper surface softly. Here initially I have used the gum eraser, but at the time of fine detailing in the end part, I move on to the kneaded eraser mainly. I haven't used any expensive stuff like artistic quality paper or pencils, so any beginner can easily avail all those that I have used here. If you have any doubt or any query or any other question related to the sketch, please comment below. I will definitely try to clear out all those. If you are really interested on portrait making, then you can watch out my previous videos too. I hope this video will be useful to improve your skill of making portrait. Stay connected, I'll be back soon with the next part of the tutorial. Thanks for watching.